Well, to get the input here, we can use a convenient feature added by Angular. We can add a local reference to any HTML element here by adding a hashtag and then some name of your choice, like person name. But you can name this however you want. And I'll name it person name L because it really is a reference to the element, not to the value in there, but to the whole element, because you could add this to any element, not just to inputs. Now, this is a reference which is now only available in this template by default. But that's no problem. We can pass it as an argument to our button. And actually, I don't pass the whole element, but I know it's an element on our input, so I can just pass person_l.value here to access the value property of this element. Because this input element, the underlying JavaScript object, which is implicitly stored in here, has a value property which holds the current value we entered. So now we know we pass the current value of this input to onCreatePerson, and therefore back in the component, we can expect this as an argument, person name. And again, it's a good idea to define the type. So we add :string because we know it will be a string. It's the value of an input element that always is a string. And then we could output created a person plus person name to output that name as well. If you now save that and you go back to the application, if I enter Max here and click create, you see created a person Max. So passing the data works as well with the help of local references.